Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. And today we have a long-awaited Temu haul with a lot of deals that I found. So let's get into it. Okay, so first item we have here, I actually thought this was going to come bigger. But that's okay because I had another mess up, so it actually is going to go with the other one. But this is a little wooden duck, but it is giving the finger. I found that very cute and comical. I wish it was the size of my other ducks that you may remember from my other videos, but it's still really cute. It's still going to go with the collection as well. And I believe I got that for like $1 or something as well. You guys will see all the prices. Okay, and next is actually an earring rack for myself. And I'll put in a clip of all my earrings on it afterwards. And it put together. I wanted to show you guys the actual product. And it just comes like this, and you just assemble it, and there is, ooh, I almost dropped it. It's almost like a Lazy Susan on the bottom. It's like a turntable. And then this just gets set up, and all your earrings can hang on it. I was in desperate need of this, because I've found that I have a bigger earring collection than I have room for, and I don't want to stop buying earrings, so I decided to get one of those. Okay, and next is actually the other duck that I thought was going to be larger. Now, I chose the large size for this, so I don't know what the small and medium look like, but it's ghost face. And I do want to note that this one's not made out of resin. It's like a hollow plastic or like 3D printed. So it's not like the other ones. But honestly, I wanted this ghost face because I found a different one. I'll pop in a picture here of what it looked like. And it is the same size and resin as the other ducks. But it doesn't really look like ghost face to me. And I didn't want to take the time to repaint that one. So I got this one for the look of it, but I thought it was going to be bigger. But it's still cool. Okay, and next item we have here is an enamel pin. And this is going to be for my husband. But this pin is a Yeti and an alien giving the peace sign. I found that awesome. I really like that it's done in black and white as well, because I think that makes it look better. And next is an item for myself. It's literally just a plain pink t-shirt. But I got it for a really cheap deal, and I really like the neckline of this. And I don't have much pink in my wardrobe, so why not? And it's a really nice soft material as well, which is really good. Okay, and next item. Oh, styrofoam balls. Now this one did come the proper size, and it is a resin duck to go with our newly acquainted collection. But this one is Jack Skellington. Now I think they did a really great job on this. The paint job could be a little bit better, but it's okay. His face is really good. And this one is made out of resin, so it's nice and sturdy as well. He's going to go well with the collection for sure. Okay, and next is a lamp from my desk. Now this popped up for a great deal, that's why I got it. It does come with instructions, but it's a pretty basic lamp, so you just have to charge it every once in a while, and then you can just turn it on, but it clips right to a desk. And it already does have charge. So you can use it wirelessly. See? And it does, I believe, have 3 different modes. Yep. And it's not that bright, but it's great for like right over something that you're working on or something. And that's the intended purpose that I got it for, so. And it is a touch button at the top, but there is a little switch to turn it on. And then when this loses charge, it is a Type-C port to a USB that you just plug in. I don't know how long it lasts, so I'll let you know, but it came pre-charged, so bonus. Okay, and next is actually a lamp for my patio. You may have remembered I got some solar lights. They're still going really good, but I got some solar lights in about 3 videos back, and they're just not bright enough for me, so I needed something else, and this came up for a great deal. Now, there's settings on this one, so I'm going to have to figure it out, and there's instructions, and then it also comes with a clip-on for a base, but it literally is just a long power bar light. I don't know if it's, oh, it's extremely bright. And there is a sensor motion, like a motion sensor one, and that was my intent, was to have, oh, there's a flashing one. I believe that's the motion sensor. But this one comes pre-charged, and there is a solar panel on top. I'll let you guys know how this works, but I'm pretty sure I'm really going to be happy with this one. Okay, and next, I know it's not the season, but honestly, the deal I got, I couldn't pass it up, and I figured it would look really nice in the background anyway. And it is from Hocus Pocus, but it is a little cauldron, and it says double, double, toil and trouble, but it mystifies. So I'm going to throw a clip in there of what it looks like when it's on, but you throw water in it, and then I believe it changes colors as well. And it isn't a Type-C, to note. It is like a plug-in adapter, but I love that. And for the deal I got for it, that's so cute, and I love the cauldron. So spooky time is coming. Who else is excited? I found that really cool. So, and it's also a humidifier, I believe, and a dehumidifier. LED mist maker. Yeah, it does change colors, as you can see on the box here. And it's just the standard instructions as well. That is really cool. I'm really excited for that. Okay, and next is a couple tin signs. One had the protector on it and one does not, so, but they both didn't come bent, so that's a good thing. Okay, so first tin sign that we have here is the mask with Jim Carrey. And as soon as I saw this, I had to put it in my cart. I love this so much. One of my favorite movies. I love that they have the mask in the background here. I love the color of his suit. Like, I love everything about this. I can't wait to add it to the wall. And they did a really good job. It's not even blurry or anything. It does have the DVD logo on the bottom. I don't think that was intended, but that's okay. I still love it. Okay, and next one. Now, this movie I loved growing up. I love now. It can be very controversial though, especially now. But it is Tu Wong Fu. It says, "Thanks for everything, Julie Newmark." I love this movie so much. And that'll look great up on the wall as well. Okay, and next is a pin, again for my husband. And this came up for a great deal as well. And it is the ring coming out of the television. That is awesome. And it's a nice enamel pin as well. So it's not the plastic ones or anything. Okay, and next is actually a tank top for myself. Now it did come nice soft material, so I'm very glad about that. And it's gray, and I got a size large, and it says, "Have a Willie nice day" with Willie Nelson on it. I absolutely love that. I can't wait to wear that. And it looks like it's going to be a very comfy t-shirt as well, like a tank top. Okay, and speaking of my obsession with earrings, I've got some more. I really like these. And they're stars, they're pentagrams, but they almost look like they're like vines. I really like those. Those are cute. And next is another pair of earrings for myself. And I literally got these. Yes, I like them, and I think they're cute. But I literally got these because I have no neon green earrings to go with anything. So I needed some neon green earrings, and they're lightning bolts. I absolutely love those. Now, I do want to note that they do seem a little bit heavy. Like they're 3D printed or something on acrylic type of thing. So they're a little heavy. I don't know if they're going to still be heavy for the ears. We'll see. But I like those. Okay, and last we have here, last, is a wooden sign. This is not tin this time. It's like a wooden sign. But this is going to be for my husband. It came up for a great deal again, so I had to get it. But it is the Camp Crystal Lake sign. And it is done really well. They even have the hooks on the back to hang it on the wall. And it's a very nice big size as well. That is awesome. And for the deal I got for it, I had to get it. I'm so glad it's this good quality as well. And it's not wood, it's like pressed board, but it's really still nice. And there you have everything we got from Temu. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Give the video a like, and I hope you have a great and beautiful day.